Hey guys! I'll be a cosplay guest at Coslosseum Cosplay Con in San Diego, California on January 5th, 2019. It's a really great con that supports a really great cause. Part of their proceeds goes to the Lupus Foundation of Southern California. I was lucky enough to be a cosplay guest at this year's convention and had a blast. In my opinion, they had some really unique events and panels that were a must attend or must see, and it was so much fun. So it's totally going to be a ton of fun this upcoming year. I will be a part of a panel or two and have a booth at the event where you'll be able to easily find me. Come say hi, I'll have prints for sale, and we can take a few selfies. There's also a ton of amazing other guests and other cosplay guests that you totally gotta come see. Make sure to grab your tickets soon, and I hope to see you all there. I'm really excited for this event, and I hope you guys are too. Follow their page or join the event on Facebook to keep track of all the exciting things to come. Bye!